Smart young girls right there. Okay, let's check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. I'm not loving this rain, Carson, but I think we just have to deal with it.
Yeah, we just got to deal with it, Megan.
Yeah.
No other way to put it today. And it's also a cold rain, too. Just a good day to stay inside if you possibly can. But if you are heading out the door this morning, give yourself some extra time. The Early Warning Radar Network continues to show that widespread rain across North Alabama. Had some heavier downpours in Marshall and DeKalb County throughout the morning. Those have since faded away. Let's zoom things out just a bit, show you what's happening in Mississippi and also to our south towards Birmingham and Montgomery. Well, there's not a whole lot going on to our south. So we may get some breaks in the rain today. And by breaks, I mean a few showers instead of a widespread soaking rain like we're dealing with right now. There's going to be rain around all day, but as far as that exact coverage of the rain, that'll come and go throughout your Friday. On the Way 31 Skycam network, one thing that is sticking around is the clouds, and that means it's much cooler too. Most of us now in the upper 40s, Guntersville the lone exception in the mid 50s, I should say. And with the clouds and the rain and that cold front now to our south, we'll be lucky if we recover into the upper 50s today. Our forecast highs around 58, 59 degrees, but some of you could very well be stuck in the mid 50s as that rain sticks around all day. For the Trash Pandas game tonight, I'm not as optimistic tonight as I was last night. First pitch is still on for 6:35. You can watch it on this TV, channel 31.6. But if you are heading to Toyota Field tonight, you need to grab the rain gear as that rain will start to fill back in yet again after sunset tonight. Here we go with future radar, 9 a.m. rain continuing. If you're not seeing that widespread rain, you're still going to be seeing some hit and miss showers. That trend continues through the afternoon. We may get a little bit of a break from most of the rain just after 5 or 6 o'clock this evening, but you see as the night goes on, that rain fills right back in. When you wake up Saturday morning, the highest rain chances will be in Alabama, especially east of I-65. Southern Tennessee, you're looking pretty dry throughout much of the day on Saturday, but as the day goes on tomorrow, that front that's already to our south goes further to the south. What does that mean? That means the rain chances finally taper off. Tomorrow afternoon, it'll stay overcast but drying out. And by Easter Sunday, that sunshine returns in full force. Until then, most of us going to see about a ½ to 1 inch of rain over the next day to day and a half. Could see some higher amounts closer to 2 inches in DeKalb and Etowah counties, where we've seen some heavier downpours so far this morning. Once the rain moves out, the pleasant weather finally settles in. A nice stretch of quiet weather too. 70 degrees on Easter Sunday. Will be in the low to mid 70s through early next week. And with those seasonable April temperatures comes the return of that sunshine. There is your 7-day forecast. Warmest day is next Wednesday when we go to 76. And once we get the rain out of here tomorrow afternoon, Megan, we will stay completely dry until next Thursday at the earliest.
All right.